injected 10 billion.
Speak to the microphone for me.
Or see NDC. They injected 10 billion dollars. They are stabilizing.
For Abraham here $4 billion.
Please.
Yeah.
Oh, Kasari no my. It's me do me so no nyap to nam so makasa. Mama kan crunch row. Me tell him say me finance expert. But Miss Yan de kakra. Osha Bank of Ghana, the Bank of Ghana nyina say if it be a year forex and as exchange rate. Say Udi CD at the Bank of Ghana. Na Bank of Ghana ma dollar. Uti Bank of Ghana ji dollar no the mawa. Now what the onum CD na wa gene de akwa koma gold board. Na gold board they are to gold they akwa monone akotong the dollars na yeden asa bo mai ni mu. If it be intermediation or so. Ewo eye finance mu. The echi nyina no. Inti Bank of Ghana in terms of say
Unima dia na
right.
I
just write it. Also Ojama account and tomorrow some Canada. Time account policy rate in 17. I came in to correct one team because own policy rate. So you will not be fair on him so because on him. Mono so and to But Hussein, this is a trite knowledge. I'm quoting from Joy FM and line. This is a story dated 9th December 2025, published 11:23 a.m. Was it BOG pumps $10 billion into forex market to aid city stability? It is here.
What a government spokesperson is also. You're a fellow of
Oh, why not?
What about you? You all can be a member of the Mekano. And the Bank of Ghana a year forex now. No one or the city now. Eddie Aquacoma gold board. That gold board, they are Togo, they are common on it. Aquaco tongue. The dollars now back Bank of Ghana ho. And see, I think say anyway say anybody but you see headlines there. Many of them India Chile but sanity no correct.
The Bank of Ghana BOG but remember the Bank of Ghana BOG has injected about $10 billion into the forex market since January 2025 to help stabilize the city. This is the total amount it has sold to commercial banks and businesses to meet their dollar needs. A move that has significantly supported the stability of the currency. So it is out of a concerted effort to make sure that we stabilize the city. It is not a wrong move to make.
But no,
yes, it is not a wrong move to make.
Massa.
What fellows want to understand is say what bank am I doing there like an intermediary?
Yes, intermediary.
Yeah, just cano for second brand. I mean for money. That's but in reality that's the money is being pumped.
Yes.
They are being pumped.
It's gold board when I'm here.
No gold board. It's a process.
Massa, who customer read them? Customer no never.
Information free. Check it 3rd July 2025. NDC buy it had $349 million. Eurobond Busiana at the whole. Into Soccer buy into a cabia, the announce some now can rather say Yetua. In fact, January create Tuabi, and yes, Tuabi, Yamit obligations. Until Ocas into Acadiana will name say Yetuakana or Captain. In fact, your top play now. Yet and there, say it mina play now. A beb Wagana. No, make sure you enter. I will have more time. You are for 8 months pay. Presidential or rented jetta a cost Ghana 62 million cities. It is going to 620 billion. You are for 900 or 200 saying. And you're a little bit over 37 million. Now yet to me in Cairo for the sick or the rent or the name 8 months penal. In Kaka said the told jet maybe the amount Ghana. Come away. It's Miss Row. More than mobile rent and I must say can buy a see Toby. Now in any other case, Ramahama crowd jet out to the just on a bit it's your tired. Because make sure idea no or told the amount mine about boy mine because listen. Yeraku Fado, Esaba, Yeraku Fado, Meba, Yeraku Fado should be a way people know Saba Biwa. Onion, I just saw current a private jet be able to see Ramahama secure a bid to the moment because yes, starting process now it will take about 3-4 years before Sana Jet never do Ghana and him say Yeraku for the or toy, Yeraku for Kraman Trembi. Sanet enti ye nyina ye nya den ye nkambom ne mbom ma nya den enkoso pardon de minim say ye maame no mo remote areas o mutie wo wunim bi e fe menstrual poverty wote hanim say wo kasa asem we wutimi nya sika top pad ma wo me maame e wo kotokuo machi ho baabi sika kro de be top pad krampo na den menstrual poverty meba menstrual poverty e ho aye den ama ne ye ma o mu ko school mu me can what a first what health organization report me reho papa Ghana mom wo nkurase a edu so mu bu o mo so mutimi ko school in fact MPP man bi kura champion of parliament say yen try ne mfa mo man ye mama no mo school mu no MPP de o mo say ye pese agye nkura no moja ne de ye bone me kan Nhyira sami ukoko ka asem ne emre bi atwa mu enti say MPP ni ti anim say no defend say pad no so ni fa so a me ma me ote I friend say kotokuo machi otie nyinam so achi I friend say otie serebo so achi otie Paul munwi andwene ma me no so ho kakra nti me serew ensema na wo ka ne de eni kwan say wo ka sa asem andwene ma me no ho na o si Dr. Frank
Nhyira FM
oye nkoko yi say in fact mostly na me fa me phone na me ko e bia TikTok na me hu sa nema ni bia me ko kan comment no me ana me nyehwe me ko kan comment no wo kan comment ni wi a utimu say asama okai no enkofo bebre di na tem e comment section ase nti minim say asem bi say kura no nya dey on be ka because okai no e na ko so bi su kutupa ma no so ko ka say on be kra enkoko yale ne eyi yale de aba nti MPP communication dey akwakoye chese communication omo ya we the boy dum na we the boy da na we the nam ha omu ni structured way omo de fa so communicate ema enkofo ni ti nti Dr. Frank Amwako na yira oye enkoko nketenkete oka mitati mu de ente de bia me bon share from abaso ne say mu invite Boris B man ba oba ya okasa no mitie papa na akosi ye oye MPP ni o ti say wo Poliando me nua Poliando a wotiwe Boris B ye MPP ni in fact obetena akase Ewura Mahama initiative no initiative a eso e be bo man Ghana in fact o de mu fa eye structures a ofamu anu o kire chin a bet ma fa so employ nkura na ye be processing kokko ne sa na ma nyina na am say Nhyira FM maduma santima aduma man Ghana o because enka we nyina no ke anim o wo betena hanka wo tie bi kura menye sure senka wo de bia nkokko nketenkete no wo de be ye eyi bebre nti me sure no me fa nye den emba me pa cho me de me ye mbi pa me ye mbi dada me ye mbi dada me ye nkokko ne bi dada me gusu asa ye na wo ka kura de no sa te aso pe bi ayen oni so so pe nkokko ne bi ayen etu te aso pe nkokko ne bi ayen obi ye nkokko na wo se kan wo asem ti ye jama tie fo na kasa on the issue of eye pandaya o kan wo asem me pandaya no me nka bebre on se si yi kwan na sa nka wo dan a o se de nipa no yi nani eden ejene meboa good representative salfo anya se Poliando Kotra TV so ka say electoral commissioner ene ma ekoso no mombo na salfo nya representative uti bibiza MPP ni be na wote so be na no fighting for the good people of South so munya representative
can two wrongs make a right
no, but say we say ni we na make no me pa kire say e wi ase de enipa opposition ehun hia de ntam de pa luta asem ni and then aluta ka a o tira luta be ka aluta ka bi ade am de pa wasem no wona na janto anu mu kriw me pem wasem o sa de no enti say Poliando consistency de ehun hia sa time no hu ni say na enye eye by the o ka say enye de am na wonya adwen by ye sa time no ye hu say enye ena ende de na e ba ye no ye hu say de mu ye no so enye den enye ena in any other case me the court and some there on say me nya lawyer ni utirima bob biwe ba no eye court nsensem ni
fancy I am not a lawyer
no me just say utirima bob bill
yes I am not a lawyer
no me nya ka ma say we
obi o lawyer ni na ja calling to them I'm not a lawyer
utirima bob bill utirima bob bill
what the assembly show Aluka
please allow me to finish Aluta you be and the bill e ba no say mra church mu because no usua de otie a lawyers for osua o kan ruling be ruling be about kan nti wona ne kasa obeto question kra ma okro yembe so ahwe obeka so lawyer ni so onye lawyer ni so what the make na say nti me to e kwandai de we are ready and me na Poliando minim se ho so obeko ho de a me ni beko akosia ho nti ekosia ho do mfa sekpere na yi e de sekpere be hia no ho
but in all honesty do you think sir what's going on fair
fair dey ntina nya fair eyi na mo de call ye say omodia for chira kono say ruling ne be on the 18th
Nhyira
what I say ruling ne be banso nya dia ruling ne maso ne ekwa akoye elections no
okay
and now we process de ekwa emu nyina boss
enyo bi abana na ebeto
me say abana na ebeto na dia easy obi a ono no oman na man to me say ono na hwe abato no niam so e de krata aba abontin say yenko ugina court da ho ya bubu American nko police station starting kwa campaign you see omuni campaign message ti don be ye ani by this when him say me last week na me wo Pandai last week me na mo Pandai me ne a friend is saying me bosses me ensa bi ye ko share ground for me free ho no man na me ka say no about to die MPP for afena ma hu die MPP for eden esu no because omo ankasa hu say ko ground for no man embo omo NDC in any other case NDC KD we can ye dia to also be 5 up Pandai ho no MPP 2 we be kan one more ye dem be
96 na NDC 2000 NDC 2004 NDC 2008 NDC 2012 na MPP 2016 MPP and 2020 kwa na NDC Daniel Nsala
so at 75 we at 75 now we say na wodi undi do bebre but me share vote margins in fact na me tie Ibrahim Musa dan kwan so elections no ka bibi say e be close because who ni say we no so popular kakra
because menya time cry where the presidential votes nearby it was also that close.
Yes,
John Mahama had 25,000 but Omia had 25,000 the difference in a little of 300 400
yes enti we dey utrimu fire now person dey trust me
Jam Wanku okay but other na mo a disconnect between parliament and the presidency. Why are you withdrawing the lithium deal?
Oh that be on say Ghana.
I know be so be
public opinion. Public opinion. Sa ban. So the bibi ba. Ananse wo ya. Na Ghana for e ka so omum pe. Now we are buying we listening government. E wo so tie the Ghana for e ka no. But aban bi ba ye Ghana for so mum pay levy. Me na Poliano betra ka se mum pe kra na de levy ni ba ampom de levy ni ba ye.
Okay, but that's a
difference no.
I
Ye Ghana for kan ni tie. Ye ntina Ghana for ni age no.
Ntina se mo ankasa you cannot decide on your own.
No,
because one one lithium what the revised version the koye. Most Ghana for I can say more withdraw. The office of the special prosecutor so sponsored through a private member bill. They say President Abekano some more withdraw. So what is that kind of double standard?
And I make a double standard. The Ghana for Bekan and I'm a money people are coping. In fact, institutions no do so. Governance na you know so governance no. Your institutions be brave and I yana kasa for you. And then me no to a loot ade ba come the pay 170 so na janto a. Mo tra na munya ka sempe.
Okay. Na mamenko afiduase na mense nyankopon hira ne nanim onyam Emma Emilia Amankwa